space is often touted as the last frontier, the final wilderness that we yet to tame or understand. And in many ways, this is very true. We have only within the last century really begun to comprehend some of its secrets to any appreciable degree. There are certainly wonders beyond our imagination for us yet to behold. Yet some mysteries that have been encountered out there in the cold, dark of space go well beyond conventional understanding to propel out into the world of the paranormal and the universe of the truly bizarre. Certainly ranking among these mysteries is a curious close encounter between some of the first people in space and, well, something. In April of 1982, the Soviet Union launched its ambitious Salyut 7 space station as part of the Soviet Salyut program, which started in 1971 and had the aim of eventually sending up a total of 4 crewed scientific research space stations and 2 crewed military reconnaissance space stations. It would be the last to be launched in the program. On one particular mission, a strange transmission from cosmonauts claimed that the space station has suddenly been surrounded by an oppressive blinding orange light. The crew of 3 aboard the station. At this point, they witnessed probably the last thing they expected to see. As they looked out the portholes of the space station, they saw what is surrounded by appeared to be giant angel-type creatures. The cosmonauts were horrified. Finally, after several sightings by several cosmonauts who had joined the mission later, it was concluded and the cosmonauts returned to Earth. The strange experiences were allegedly covered up and swept under the carpet by the Soviet government, and the witnesses told in no uncertain terms that they were never to discuss what they have seen up there. Increasingly intensive rounds of physical and psychological tests performed on these space station crews supposedly showing nothing out of the ordinary whatsoever. They were perfectly sound of body and mind. Considering the thick secrecy surrounding the odd events, the story did not really get any wider coverage until after the Cold War. But when it did get out, it immediately ignited a firestorm of what debate and speculation as to what the cosmonauts had really seen. It was officially concluded that the cosmonauts were overly fatigued and suffered some form of a mass hallucination. Now, I'm not completely convinced, and I don't think this mystery has been satisfactorily solved. I've got a lot of ground to cover up, and a lot of mysteries to get to the bottom of. I'll add this one to my list. I'm the Crimson Kid, and I'm telling you this is a weird, dimly lit world out there.